8 wild birds looking for food. Dead leaves whirling in eddies where murmuring starlings circle and flock in the wind, banking for berries. Daring the pavements for morsels of roadkill, winged shadows mimic a murder of crows. Swaggering for seeds at my feeder all winter, the cardinal holds court in his crimson robes. Hammering his hollow notes on the still standing dead, the woodpecker echoes, checking for insects. Handsome as a pale blue sky, the jay returns, raising a ruckus, feasting on acorns. Tugging at earthworms, the red-breasted robin, harbinger of spring, chirrups and hops on my lawn. Smallest of all, hovering and flying backwards, the hummingbird darts, needling for nectar. Pigeons in the city hunt under a park bench for breadcrumbs and popcorn where the homeless man snores.